Heat in place again across the northern part of the U.S., including us here in Minnesota and western Wisconsin. Here's where we have the extreme heat warning in place still until 9 p.m. on Thursday. It is possible this could get extended, though. Feels like temps up to 100 today. Here's the breakdown. Notice cloud free, so we got plenty of sunshine, and our temp is already at 87 at noon here in the Twin Cities. Feels like temp is 90. For the rest of the day, those airs again approaching 100 as we head into the afternoon hours. So our feels like temps category. Tomorrow, same deal. Air temps coming in the mid 90s. Feels like temps in the upper 90s. We're going to still deal with this heat as we go throughout the next couple days, but also we are in the midst of an air quality alert coming out from some of that wildfire smoke coming in from the north. Also watching that potential for ozone. So this is just being issued here right at noon. Well, more detail. This could get extended even further. Kind of the same deal with the heat. That could be extended. The extreme heat warning could be extended even further if need be. But notice we do have that air quality alert in place. Right now it goes to 11 a.m. on Friday. We have all of those wildfires up in the Arrowhead and up in Canada, and that wildfire smoke is forecast to progress further to the south. So kind of adding insult to injury, unfortunately, bringing in the potential for wildfire smoke as early as today. We have a frontal boundary that's going to be coming through, and so watching that smoke that could be settling in behind it. This is the forecast here, unhealthy for everyone. So we often talk about unhealthy for sensitive groups. That's the orange. You go one step above that and it's red. It's unhealthy for everyone. So again, this just came in at the top of the hour. Forecast calls for this, including the Metro Twin Cities region. And we could see the smoke rise anytime as early as today. But we're going to watch for the potential of these impacts through Friday morning. Notice very unhealthy here in the purple as you get closer to where those wildfires are occurring. Obviously hazardous in the forecast when it comes to air quality up into the Arrowhead region. So another thing to keep in mind, if you weren't going to minimize your time outside because of the heat, this is another reason to do so, especially if you start to see that wildfire smoke come in. This is the particulates, so you could actually see this one potentially. Also, the air quality sensors can probably pick it up better than you visually, but it's something to watch out for the next couple of days. In the meantime, we're just dealing with the heat. Highs in the 90s, low temperatures, temps drop to the low 90s by the end of the work week. So kind of the worst of the heat now. Doesn't get much better, but temps go down by the end of the work week with highs in the weekend basically around the 80s. When it comes to our temps, 87 right now in the Twin Cities, 80s for everyone. Dew points are up there. We're around 70, so you put the two together, you get this feels like temp of 90 here in the metro. High today forecast to hit 96 underneath some of that sunshine. Again, dew point tracker coming in today could even touch swampy in the 70s, but heat index today reached that 100-degree feels like March. That mark that's approaching caution coming up here this afternoon. Temps tonight not bringing much relief, down to 74 with temps outside of the metro in the 60s, with tomorrow's high temp hitting 96 here in the Twin Cities. Again, you factor in that humidity. Tomorrow, sweltering category. Feels like temps in the upper 90s, approaching 100. Doesn't get much better, although we're hoping to low 90s as we head into the weekend, but still.
I know that heat will get him.
Everyone. Until maybe the weekend next week.
All right. Thanks so much, Lisa, and thank you for joining us. Remember, the news continues on our streaming service, CBS News Minnesota. We hope you have a